Talking to a woman can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Let's be honest. Girls are just like everyone else. They're human, and being around them shouldn't make you scared. The secret isn't some magic pickup line. It's about having confidence in yourself and practicing key communication skills. These two things will make you more relaxed and comfortable around anyone, including the woman you find interesting. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps you can take to start a conversation, build a connection, and stand out from the crowd. Ready to level up your social game? Let's dive in. Be yourself, not a doormat. First things first, be yourself. Don't try to change your entire personality to please her. Don't fall into the trap of being too nice, constantly seeking her approval, or spending a ton of your hard-earned money just to get her attention. Here's the harsh truth. Most women don't find overly nice guys attractive. They see it as a lack of confidence and a desperation to please. If they stick around, it's often for the benefits, and they'll leave the moment those benefits disappear. This is when a man becomes desperate, feeling like he's invested so much for nothing. Want to avoid being that guy? Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to be a man she's genuinely interested in, not just someone she uses for free meals. Stay calm and relaxed. Next, you need to feel relaxed whenever you're around her. Don't let anxiety take over. When you're tense and anxious, you're sending off the wrong energy. A woman will notice this and wonder, why is this grown man so tense just talking to me? Instead of listening to what you're saying, her mind is focused on your nervous energy, and she's just waiting for the conversation to end. So, remember to stay calm and relaxed. Finally, a key part of confidence is maintaining good hygiene. This isn't about wearing expensive brands. It's about looking sharp, clean, and put together. You should never have to approach a woman wondering, is my outfit good enough? Or what will she think of my clothes? As a man, these things should always be a priority. A fresh haircut, clean, appropriate clothes, the right cologne if you wear it. You don't want the first thing she does to be struggling for air because you've overdone it. When you're conversing, maintain eye contact to show you're paying attention. More importantly, listen actively when she talks. Women love attention, and listening to her makes her feel comfortable and valued. When she knows you're genuinely listening, she'll feel free to express herself, and that's how you build a real connection. Go deeper. Go beyond surface-level questions. Ask about her interests and desires. Show genuine curiosity about who she is as a person. This isn't an interrogation. It's a way of showing you see her as more than just a pretty face. Make her laugh. Don't force it or try to be a comedian. Instead, use witty observations or funny stories from your past life. Sharing a quick, self-deprecating story about a past event can be a great way to show your personality and make her feel at ease. This brings us to the final point, behaving appropriately. Always respect her personal space. Don't intrude on her life if she's not willing to let you in. Inappropriate touching or hugging that she hasn't consented to isn't just rude. It screams desperation, and you don't want to be that guy. You could try some subtle flirting to test the waters. If her body language says she's into it, great. But if her energy says otherwise, don't force it. Respect her boundaries. The last thing under this point is crucial. Don't gossip or talk badly about other people behind their backs. It makes you look immature and causes her to see you in a bad light. She'll wonder, if things don't work out with him, is this how he'll talk about me to others? Keep silent and only speak when you have something meaningful to say. So there you have it, kings. If you've been struggling to start a conversation or are too shy to approach the woman of your dreams, these are the perfect steps to build your confidence, communicate effectively, and behave appropriately. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so more men can gain the confidence they need. Until next time, kings, stay stoic.